For economic recovery, the government has announced the first relief package for the second COVID-19 wave. But the editorial says that this dose of a relief package is not sufficient. It is a small dose. And editorial says that this relief package is not up to the expectations. We were hoping for more from the central government, and the you can say that the central government didn't fulfill our hopes. After asserting that people should wait for the union budget's announcement, when you assert something, means you say something strongly. So the central government said that people should wait for what? To trickle down. To trickle down. What is the meaning of trickle down? Trickle down means when you make changes at a higher level. When you make changes at a higher level, then it will be reflected down the levels. So editorial says that like you have made changes in education policy, and slowly you will see the changes in schools, in college. It is called trickle down. Trickle down means slowly you will experience the change. Before seeking, seek means to desire a fresh stimulus. Stimulus means you can say that encouragement. Stimulus to cope with. Cope with means to fight with. Cope with means to deal with. Cope with the second wave of the pandemic. Pandemic means a widespread disease. Here coronavirus has been called pandemic. So editorial says that people are demanding, people are seeking fresh stimulus to handle the second wave of coronavirus, but the central government has said that people should wait for the union budget's announcements, that the announcements made in the union budget will trickle down slowly. Now the government finally unveiled. Unveil means finally to uncover something. A relief package of sorts of this type Monday. So on this Monday we saw that the government finally uncovered a relief package. The financial implications of the measures. Measures means steps. So you can say that financial implications of the measures, such as implications here means what will be the effects of these measures, such as the promise of easy small ticket loans for 25 lakh micro entrepreneurs. Micro entrepreneurs, you can say that for 25 lakh small businessmen, you can say that 25 lakh micro entrepreneurs, the government has announced, you can say that small loans, and 11,000 tourist agents and free tourist visas. So editorial says that have been projected. Project means you can say that to estimate about the future, projected at about rupees 6.29 lakh crore. So the government has decided to spend rupees 6.29 lakh crore for small loans for 25 lakh entrepreneurs and 11,000 tourist agents and for free tourist visa. Nearly 2.68 lakh crore of this, out of rupees 6.29 lakh crore, rupees 2.68 lakh crore will be spent on is in the form of credit guarantee. Credit guarantee means in the amount will be deposited in your bank account. Credit guarantee. A further rupees 1.5 lakh crore of guarantees has been promised to add to the rupees 3 lakh crore emergency credit scheme. So editorial says that in this relief package, you can say that a guarantee credit scheme, rupees 3 lakh crore emergency credit scheme has been announced, and additional 1.5 lakh rupees will be provided under this scheme. But the scheme's tenure means time period, has not been extended beyond September 30. but the time period has been decided for this scheme is 30 September. Similar backing, back means to support something, has been announced for loans worth rupees 60,000 crore to COVID affected sectors. So during the second wave of coronavirus, so many sectors, you can say that so many sectors experienced the worst scenario. So for these sectors, 60,000 crore rupees has been announced in the form of loans, but only tourism has been publicly identified. So for many sectors it has been announced, 60,000 crore rupees has been announced for many sectors, but you can say that publicly the government has said about tourist department. Enhance means to increase something. Enhancing loan guarantees will perhaps give risk averse lenders more confidence in extent. When you extend something है ना, you increase your boundary है ना, extend है ना. Loans where the credit deposit ratio has hit a multi-year low. First understand what is credit deposit ratio. If a bank has given you some amount of money, okay, then you need to repay it है ना. When bank adds money in your account, it is called credit, but when you deposit that money back, it is called deposit. So editorial says that due to the coronavirus, this ratio of credit deposit has hit a multi-year low. So at present, lenders like most of the banks are, you can say that, are not in comfort in giving loans to persons or in giving loans to entrepreneurs. But the government has said that we will guarantee. The government has said that it will guarantee. So perhaps you can say that perhaps you can hope that the lenders will get confidence and they will give loans to more people or more groups. But there is little means, you can say that little indicates negative, completely negative. If there is a little means something, little means nothing, but there is almost nothing, little means almost nothing, but there is little to make such loans viable. Viable means practical, that can survive by steering. If you steer something, if you steer something means you can say that by steering demand for, steering means to create enthusiasm, demand for goods and services. Editorial says that unless we do some efforts for increasing demand, demands है ना. So editorial says that demand must be increased है ना, demand for goods and services must be increased है ना. If we do not do anything to increase the demand for goods and services, then these loans will not be practical है ना. These loans will be, you can say that, will not be viable. Free visas are a good idea but are unlikely है ना. Unlikely means possibly not to gain traction. If you gain traction means you can say that you make some improvement है ना, you catch speed. To gain traction, till India has a firm grip. Firm grip means a strong hold on the pandemic by providing vaccines for all. Editorial said that okay, the government has given in this scheme, the government has said that free visas will be available. This is a good option that the government has started, but unless the central government controls the coronavirus by providing vaccines for all, this scheme will not work, including for those under 18. So editorial says that we should provide vaccines for all under 18 also. Loans of rupees 1 lakh to rupees 10 lakh for travel agents may help meet some liabilities. Liabilities means your responsibilities or expense. Expense means you can say that the amount of money you spent but will not make and what will not make people take holidays. Editorial says that okay, for travel agents, for travel agents, loans have been announced है ना, and they can take loan from rupees 1 lakh to rupees 10 lakh. So editorial says that this loan will help travel agents in paying their expenses, but it will not encourage people to take holidays. Just like last year's 20 lakh crore package, the actual outgo means the amount of money which has been given from the exchequer. Exchequer means you can say that the money, government money, you know, exchequer means the government money from the exchequer this time is minimal, and the direct stimulus, when you stimulate something, you try to increase that thing, you try to encourage that thing, stimulus, to demand absemal. Absemal means completely in low state. If something is completely in a low state, you call it absemal. So editorial says that just like last year's 20 lakh crore package, the actual outgo from the exchequer this time is minimal. This time also, last time the government spent 20 lakh crores, and editorial says that it was not sufficient to cope with the detrimental effects of coronavirus. The same thing has been done by the government this time. The money which has been given from the exchequer or the government money is minimal, it is not sufficient, and the direct stimulus to demand absemal. Editorial says that we should directly encourage demand, but if we talk about the direct stimulus to demand, it is very low, it is absemal. Additional spending of rupees 15,000 crore to ramp up. To ramp up means to increase something. Pediatric health care. Pediatric health care means you can say that health care of children. So additional spending of rupees 15,000 crore. So 15,000 crore rupees, the support of rupees 15,000 crore has been given additionally for children, with guarantees for rupees 50,000 crore low interest loans for health projects in the hinterland. Hinterland means you can say that inner areas, like the are critical to cope with future. Cope with means to deal with, to handle future pandemic waves. So editorial says that this was second wave, but maybe in future we may encounter third wave or fourth wave. So editorial says that guarantees has been given of rupees 50,000 crore low interest loans for health projects in hinterland. Hinterland means like rural areas or inner areas. It makes sense to direct resources towards health and faster vaccination. Editorial says that that would be wise if we make our efforts for faster vaccination. But the inclusion of measures, but some steps have also been included, also like fertilizer subsidy, food grains for the poor. So in this package, the government has again announced that the fertilizer subsidies will be provided, food grains will be provided for the poor, along with spends planned over the next 2 or 5 years. So the government has planned for next 2 or 5 years, and in this planning the food grains for the poor will be provided, and the subsidies for fertilizers will be given, and even a rupees 77.5 crore bailout plan. Bailout plan means if you can say that any business is not working, then you support it from outside, then this support is called bailout plan. For an ailing means that is suffering farm marketing firm. So editorial says that you can say that agriculture field, if for agriculture field that is suffering, it has been provided financial support. Gives the package just extra padding. Extra padding means extra support. So editorial said that the, you can say that the provisions for agriculture field which have been included in this relief package provide this package extra support. Investing time and resources to figure out means to find out some form of income support for the vulnerable means in to be in a very weak position, to be in a very weak state है ना. When you are susceptible to be attacked, you are vulnerable है ना. So vulnerable means very weak sections in rural and urban areas would have been more helpful. So editorial says that this is conditional sentence. Editorial says that it would be better if government had spent his time and resources to find out that how can we support and how can we support financially to the weak, to the, you can say that, to the weakest person in rural and urban है ना. That would have been more helpful है ना. It would be, you can say that it would have been more helpful है ना. It could help more. Weak demand is a bigger concern है ना. Concern means worry for industry this year as high inflation. Editorial says that this is the, you can say that this is a big issue. Inflation is you can say that a technical term when prices increase, a general increase in the price of goods is called inflation, is a bigger concern for industry this year as high inflation. A propensity means tendency, inclination to save for future medical bills. Editorial said that due to inflation people are not purchasing anything है ना. Mostly they are worried about their future medical bills है ना. So they are saving money as much as they can. And an uncertain job market due to coronavirus, a lot of jobs have become uncertain, have led to means when something becomes the cause of something. Belt tightening, when you tighten your belt, it means you spend your money very carefully from consumers. So editorial says that consumers are not spending money, and when consumers do not spend money, then there are no chances of increasing demand. So editorial says that the main problem is inflation. Due to inflation, most of the people are saving money for their future medical bills, and their job uncertainty is there, so people are in doubts. If the government is hesitant, if you are hesitant means you can say that you are in doubt है ना, you are not sure about something. If the government is hesitant about creating new dolls for the fear of them becoming permanent है ना. New dolls means new ways है ना, new ways for the fear of them becoming permanent features. Okay है ना. If okay, there may be some fears that the government may think so है ना. The government may think that if we announce packages or if we support continuously in every field, then this may become a permanent quality. So editorial said that it could have at least offered some immediate relief for all by addressing the elephant in the room. Elephant in the room means a controversial issue, a bigger problem, a big problem है ना. So editorial said that at least it should have been done by the government है ना. At least the government could do some immediate relief for all by addressing means by paying attention to that thing, the elephant in the room. What is the elephant in the room? What is the biggest problem? High fuel prices. Editorial says that this is the main culprit. This is the main culprit or this is the main problem है ना. This is the elephant in the room. This is the controversial issue. High fuel prices. Due to high fuel prices, we see inflation in every field of our economy. So at least the government could have solved this problem. This would dampen inflation. If the government reduces high fuel price है ना, then the result will be low inflation है ना. Damper means to make something down है ना, to reduce something. Empower means to make someone powerful. RBI, to lend means to provide greater support to growth and leave a little more money in people's hand to spend है ना. So if the government reduces high fuel prices, then the chances are there that RBI can provide more support to growth, and the RBI can provide more money in people's hand. While the effort to maintain a fiscal restraint means to control something है ना, restraint means to, so fiscal restraint means to control money. Effort to maintain fiscal restraint may impress global rating agencies. What is the work of global rating agencies? Global rating agencies give ratings about the economic condition of any country. So editorial says that the government's fiscal efforts, the government is spending money very carefully, it is very restrained, so it may impress global rating agencies. At present, global rating agencies may appreciate the government's efforts, that the government is not spending money recklessly. But what will be the result in longer term? They would be among the first. These global rating agencies would be among the first to acknowledge means to accept the truth of something, that there is a tipping point. What is tipping point? Tipping point, a time. Tipping point means the time at which a change cannot be stopped. This is called tipping point, where policy inaction risks hurting the economy's long-term prospect. Long-term prospect means long-term profit, long-term gain. So editorial says that after some time, these global rating agencies will be among the first that will say that if you do not take any active action, if you do not take any active action, and if you do not change your policy according to the situation of the market, then you will find there is a tipping point, and then you cannot prevent hurting the economy. It means your economy will go down. So editorial says that at present these global rating agencies are appreciating the government's fiscal restraints, but after some time, if the governments remain inactive, then these global agencies would say that there will be a tipping point. Tipping point means the time at which a change cannot be stopped, and there will be the risks of hurting the economy.